Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this site can't be reached in Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, go to the website fast.com and hit enter. So it will show you the internet connection speed. If it's good enough, then proceed to the next solution, which is to change the DNS or rather use Google's own DNS. Press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active Wi-Fi network. Select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now select it at use the following DNS server address. Change the preferred one to 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. Then click on OK once again. And lastly, you can reset the network. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Go to network reset. Select reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.